2012 to 2016 Toyota Prius C USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I am in a 2013 Prius C. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB aux port right here. Now, tools you want to get is a plastic no scratch pry bar. I'll link it below. And then also maybe a flathead. And I'll show you why. First, if you can, you want to use your plastic pry bar to try to come on the left side of the USB. Push this in between the USB port and the center console. Kind of get between it and then kind of pry it outwards. There's a little release tab on the USB port that should compress and be able to push it forward. If you can't get it though, a flathead can definitely do it a lot easier, but you just risk scratching your dash a little bit. So, but the flathead will pop it out really easy. That's the way I did it on this one, because my tool was kind of not a great tool. But anyway, you pull this out, there's a one connector. You're going to push the button on the connector and then pull the USB port off the connector. Don't pull the connector by the wires or anything, because you'll break the wires. This connector harness is going to want to go back into the dash, so kind of set it to the side so it doesn't go back in the dash, or else you're going to have kind of a problem. And then here's the part number that's on a sticker on the side of the USB port. Now, when you look up this part number, it does come up for this USB. It is the right part. However, there is another part number it goes by, and this part number is a lot easier to find online. Also, here's all the vehicles this one fits. So when you look this up, you can find very good price aftermarket ones and expensive dealer ones. I recommend going Toyota dealership, but there's a lot of aftermarket options with all different ranges. I'll link them all below. When you get your new one, all you gotta do is unpack it and then plug it into the connector right here. Again, make sure that connector gets plugged in tight and doesn't fall back into the dash, and then you just push this guy back in place in the proper orientation how it was, and that's it. And if you did happen to scratch your dash, you could use your plastic pry bar tool to kind of smooth it out right here, and if it's just like a nudge or something, this will smooth it out just fine. But anyways, guys, hopefully this video helped. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.